Yeah, hi everyone. Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Fourth and last puzzle. Oh, I forgot the letter Sudoku. The numbering of the letter Sudoku. Well, the letter Sudoku should be number 5072. I believe, yeah. And this one will be 5073. All right. In today's newspaper on Thursday, yes, it's Thursday, August 25th, 2022. In this additional, we have one puzzle left. The three puzzles are not solved. The first three, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and now it's time for the 4 stars Tectonic. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. We will see, but for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, that's my time limit. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. I see here only one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Triple boxes then. Do we have here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. When you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Same for this box, near the middle box, 4 or a 5. The 1, the 2, and the 3 I cannot fill in, so I need to wait. Triple box, quadra box. Here we have a quadra box. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers I cannot fill in, so we need to wait. Next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, yeah, remember that, oh, apologies, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 1, so this box has the same number as that box. We have only one figure or shape of this construction. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Here we have an L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape? No, here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5. Okay. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape. Oh, wait. Need to draw the boxes here. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 4, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1, and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, and those two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here in one of those two boxes, I can place any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be definitely here. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 and also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be here. Alright. Then, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 5 there, because then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 there. So it's not a solution to place the 5 there, the 5 is supposed to be here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4, and this box is connected with that box, so we also have 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then these two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there, so 2 numbers left, 5 and the 3, 5 and the 3, let me mark those. Alright. Then, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, these 2 boxes of 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4 in this quarter box, so the 1 box left for the 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well, this box can be a 3. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. Well. One conclusion. Well. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 4. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. This box can be, oh wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. Let me think. Oh, now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think, well, 3 to 5. Well, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 or a 5. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, also 4 or a 5. So we have a pair 4 and 5. So the other pair should be 3 and the 2. But we have a 2 here, I believe. Yeah. So this box can be 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be the 3 here. This box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and the 5. But we already have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes. Oh wait, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this area. For number 3, now we have a 3 here. I cannot place the 3 there. The 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Alright, 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. So now we have a pair, 4 and a 5 here. 4 and a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 4. These two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means that those two boxes can be 2 or a 5. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Yeah. But I've marked this. Oh, now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 because I've marked this with 4 and a 5. It is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Well, now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. And I solved this in 60 minutes, so it's not really a 4 stars. Not the 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Last Friday of the month. Alright. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. And we will meet again very, very soon. Until then, bye-bye for now.